guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Tuesday to everyone. So today guys, magluluto ako ng dinner for tonight. Very simple lang. Ito yung aking recipe for tonight guys. So mayroon akong shrimp, cottage cheese, breadcrumbs. Okay. And then mayroon akong stew, pork stew. Ayan. And then mayroon akong boiled soup. Yung soup na yun guys is chicken with hot bones. Ito yung chicken. Tapos vegetables. Ito lang guys, very simple lang kasi hindi kami mag-breakfast. Tonight, wala silang namin babae. Okay, umpisahan ko na magluto guys. I-fry ko lang itong shrimp. Oh, wait! Kailangan ko palang ilagay muna yung chikwa. Kailangan ko muna ilagay yung chikwa. Para sa pag-wait ng soup guys, kailangan natin i-papaluan muna natin yung karne. Para lumabas yung lasa ng napakadali lang gawin nito guys. No, meron kayong shrimp na tayo prawn. Malinisin nyo lang pero huwag yung tanggalin yung prawn. You can buy also this. Mabibili nyo rin ito sa pinit na siya. Kasi yung ginagawa ko guys is hindi siya like so, dahan-dahan lang guys kasi yung bread is napaka-soft. Pwede rin siya sa air fryer. Kasi ito ng alaga. Maganda kasi yung breadcrumbs na ginamit nila. Malalaki. So yung ginamit ko ng breadcrumbs is napaka-pino. Ay, mas maigi ito guys is yung maraming oil. Para lutong-luto yung loob ng shrimp. Okay guys, ito na yung aking shrimp. Ayan na, very looks so pretty guys. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa oven para still hot pa rin siya. Para pagdating mamaya ng mga alaga namin is kain na. Okay guys, nagdagdag ako ng bacon at saka egg. Kasi baka kulangin yung shrimp. Baka mamaya magreklamo yung alaga ko. So, dagdagan ko na lang. Isa pang dagdag. Kasi hindi sila nakakain ng pork stew. Ito na lang nagdagdag sa kanila. Hindi rin sila pakain ng gulay. Tapos scramble ko. Pero scramble egg. Mamaya, mimix ko na lang sila together. Scrambled egg with bacon. Ayan guys. Ayan na guys. This is our scrambled egg with bacon. So yan ang favorito ng mga kiddos. Okay guys, i-boil ko lang yung aking vegetable. Magpakulong na ako ng water. Ilalagay ko na yung aking vegetable. Huwag yung tagalan guys kasi lalambot siya pa ako. Mabilis kumambot. Ilalagay ng oil para maging shiny. So, mga 1 minute lang guys. Takpan lang natin ng 1 minute or siguro sabihin natin 20 seconds lang. So, ito na siya kalay. Kasi hindi masarap magkaon. Parang hindi siya malata. Malata? Hindi siya malata. Malati. dinner tonight. So, ito yung aming soup. Ayan, chikwa soup or Harigard soup with pork pata bones. Ito yung aming shrimp, coated with breadcrumbs. Ito yung aming scrambled egg with bacon and pork spare ribs stew. Delicious, and our choice on vegetables. So, complete na guys. Ready to eat na our dinner. Ready na. Cook na lahat ng aming food. Ayan. Very yummy. Ready to eat na for our dinner. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Click the bell para mag-notify kayo kung meron akong bagong video. Bye!